Smoke is on. 400 horsepower. Brought to you by Oakley, the manufacturers of some of the finest eyewear in the world. They started back in 1975 just making hand sticks and grips, but look at the takeoff. Jason Newburg going into night-day flight. Custom porting, polishing, and flow match cylinder. Engineer, very strong. About 10 feet of the runway, get himself some energy. Watch it goes as he pulls up, straight up into the sky, over the tree. He'll come over the top, go to the down. Now watch Jason as he does 2 points, 3 points, 4 points of a 4-point roll. He'll extend to the right-hand side of the aerobatic box, experience 7 times the pull of gravity on the upline. He'll come over the top. Now watch, he goes for the one tempo. Level off. Now watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Goes for tail. Strike, that's what they call that. Now watch the nose. Now right down to the right-hand side, he rolls and continues to push now on the stick forward, but now he goes up because he's negative G's. Over the top with a 1/2 reverse Q&A, down to 45, here tumble it again. The roll rate on the 5 exceeds almost anything else in the air today. 5 planes usually don't roll that fast. He has built into the airplane himself. In addition to building the airplane, he also modified that light-coming engine, American-built engine that he's pumping out, as Rob said, an awesome 400 horsepower out of a 300-power engine prop. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, let's see if we can talk live with the doctor. Hello, Jason Newburg. Are you with me, my friend?
Hello, Rob Ryder. What a great day for NASA. Weather's clearing up nice.
Oh, you bet. Danny Grisham and I are having the time of our lives talking to you over the and watching you fly this Viper. You are awesome today, my friend.
Well, we're having a good time. I want to thank everybody coming out from Cleveland. This is a really special show for me. The aviation history that Cleveland has, and this is the 47th year at Burke Airfront. That's a great run. We're hoping to keep it going, and everything started back here in Cleveland in 1920, so it's quite a prestigious
Here's the West 340
here, and quite an aviation history.
Oh, you bet it is. 47 years here. It is absolutely one of the greatest air show venues anywhere in the world. Now, you've got a little time now. Looks like you're cooling things off, but you look like you're getting up to about 2,500 feet.
Yeah, we're up at 1,600 feet, and then this is clear up here, and it's cool off, so we're going to come in and get more.
All right, sir. We're we'll get back to it. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. You can hear you. Give Jason Newburg a big hand. All right, he's very down now for that torque roll. He would like to thank his product sponsors, ASL Camguard, Custom Harnesses, MT Propellers, Skytech Starters, Place Power, Aerobatic Aircraft Protectors, and Buckler Parents. Now, both clear motivators looking out. No landing right side of the cabin. Right to the horizon by 90 degrees. And roll over the aircraft at a speed of 150. Down to 150. 30. 10. Seat. In goes the front. Shift to the right. Come backwards. Keep coming back. Keep an eye on Jason Newburg is gonna do the centrifuge. This is one of those things that goes negative and it really feels ugly in the airplane. It's ugly on the head, it's ugly on the stomach, and it hurts. It's just not right. It's phenomenal, but Jason's gonna do it for you because again, it's Sunday in September on Labor Day. We'll back it down a little more peaceful as he hides. Hey, where'd he go? He decided to hide behind the bush over there.
Bill, we're about 3.5 miles to the northeast, going back behind the clouds. Well, thank you very much. Look forward to getting there, okay? So the field is the intruder. It's a little yellow airplane, and I don't know what it's doing there, but we're going to have to clear you out. Be careful. We're looking.
that guy's supposed to be away from Jason. All right, airborne. Watch out. Call the fire truck. That airplane is missing a part. Wait a minute. Rob, that's the right aileron. Everybody holds the position. Let's try to get Jason Newburg safely out.
Aerobatic back with you, recovering on 2-4.
Spinning out of control. There's no control without that aileron. Get out of that tree line. Get away. Push the nose down. Folks, this is not supposed to happen. I have to apologize for this. Rob, apologize to Jason. Tell him it's nothing we did. It's not Tooch's fault. It's not the air boss's fault. It's not Penny's fault. It's that guy's fault. He should have read the bulletins and say no intruders at this show. Land that thing. Wait a minute. Now, there's fabric parts falling out. He's out of control. Without that aileron. Ooh, look out. What was that part?
That is one old airplane, and it looks like all his paperwork for his airplane.
Oh, that was a manual on how to fly. The operating manual. I don't think it's going to do this guy any good.
Oh, no.
Okay, land it. Put it on the ground. Oh, no, that's in the air. Put it on the ground. Nope, that's in the air. Look out. There is hostility. Hey, same to you, buddy. You see that? What a jerk. Look at Jason. His hopping mad, boy. He's boiling. That engine is boiling. Now he disappears. He's trying to hide in the smoke. But here comes the intruder at Jason Newburg, 6 o'clock position. Jason hit the throttle. Get some distance on this idiot. Maybe, okay, yeah, get him obstruct his view with that smoke. All right, now, look out, Jason's on the runway. Don't try to land there. You've got a lot of runway. Don't use the part with the Viper. Oh, I don't like this. This is not good. You're not a formation flyer. But I think there's some hostility going on out there. I think I know what's going on. Maybe a jealous pilot that didn't get hired here because they told him, well, we got good Newburg, we don't need you. Well, this idiot, I think, was might be under the influence. There's high octane in the tank of that engine. I think there's some high octane in this pilot. Look out! Don't land over there. Oh, look out! Okay, get it on the ground now. Jason's clear of the runway. This view needs to be.
We can get that one in a little closer this time. We'll probably be able to get you in here pretty quick.
Scrape the wingtip off. Land the airplane. Now what's that? What is it? He lost a tire here. This tire is delivering parts, but they are from his old airplane. But you're not going to have enough to fly anymore. His spare tire, is that what it was? Did he have a spare tire that came out?
Evidently, that's the case. I tell you what, I've never seen anything so badly. I've never seen this kind of thing at an air show in my life.
How does he fly the airplane without that aileron on the right way? It's not supposed to be. You can't do that. Okay, land that thing. I'm going to call that patches. It's got patches all over it. Some that fell off. He lost the aileron, the big mistake there. He lost his spare tire.
And Bill, if you want to get circled up a little bit, I'll get you as soon as I can. I also have a tire on the runway. We'll just get out of your way before I bring you in. Yeah, no problem. We'll just stay just off this side of 2-4. And they'll get business right around there.
If it lands near you, don't anybody touch it. Look, he's recycling. No, but he used that once. I think that perhaps he may have soiled his BBD. I don't know. I almost did, so I hope he did. Do we have radio contact at all? Is Pitsch have any?
No, I tried to talk to him. I got nothing.
It looks like Dan, the airport manager, might have a car out there. Maybe they can wave him in like a, okay, yeah, it's easy now. Look out for the tire, but don't run over. Oh, ran over. Okay, now stop. Hold it. Enough is enough. Is that Dan Biggs out on
that? That is. He's on the
Wing Commander Biggs. This guy's making a beeline for Wing Go Big. This is not a good deal. Winko is the boss here, and I think there's going to be some words exchanged.
And Bill, go ahead and set up for landing runway 24 right. Plan to hold short of the show center until we get that tire out of the way. They're still doing a little act down here. We have to move the tire. Roger, I'll land short on 24 right, staying short of the center. Roger.
He's lost. Where do I go now? Idiot, if you had a radio, you would know where, ladies and gentlemen, we just had a little bit of fun with
Yeah, you're standing right by it, right there. And the Kent off.
North Dakota, recipient of the Show Award for Showmanship.
Yeah, great show. Thank you very much, and we'll find it for you. He's right next to it. It's on the north side of the road, and it's right next to it. If you just walk in there, you'll find it.
And as I say, fine. As we travel around North America and around the world, we see great talent like Kent Pietsch.